Welcome to my channel, Brain Blitz. In today's quiz, I will test your knowledge in science. Let's begin. What part of the plant makes food? Leaf. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. What do we use to see things far away in the sky? Telescope. Which animal breathes through its skin? Frog. Which star is the closest to planet Earth? The Sun. What is the boiling point of water? (100°C). Of all measurements, which speed is considered the fastest? Speed of light. What do bees collect from flowers? Nectar. Which of these is not a primary color? Green. What group of stars is the Sun classified in? Yellow dwarf. How many legs does a spider have? Eight. Which scientist used one of the first telescopes to observe planets and stars? Galileo Galilei. What is the largest mammal in the world? Blue whale. Which of these is a gas giant planet in our solar system? Jupiter. What are animals called that only consume other animals? Carnivores. Do you know who is he? Albert Einstein. What is the process by which plants release water vapor into the air? Transpiration. What is required for fire to burn? Oxygen. Who is known as the father of physics? Isaac Newton. What kind of energy does the sun provide? Solar energy. How many bones does an adult human usually have? 206. What is the human body's largest organ? Skin. Approximately how much time does light take to travel from Sun to Earth? Eight minutes and 20 seconds. What is the center of an atom called? Nucleus. Which force keeps the planets in orbit around the Sun? Gravity. What is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. What is the freezing point of water? (0°C). What gas do living creatures need to breathe? Oxygen. What type of animal is a shark? Fish. Which of these is a renewable resource? Solar energy. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond. What is the term for animals that eat only plants? Herbivores. What is the process called that converts a solid directly to a gas without passing through the liquid state? Sublimation. What is the force that pulls objects toward each other called? Gravity. Which planet in our solar system has the strongest gravitational pull? Jupiter. What would happen to your weight if you went to the moon? It would decrease. What do plants need to perform photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide and water. During photosynthesis, what do plants release into the air? Oxygen. Which part of the plant captures light for photosynthesis? The leaves. What is the main pigment found in the green leaves of plants that absorbs light? Chlorophyll.